My dog is super spoiled and needs to have a bed in every room that I'm in so that he could be nice and comfortable. And this one here was sent for my review, and we are gonna put it together. We're checking out for the very first time. This one is 35 inches by 22. They do come in different sizes, and they also come in different colors. There's even a really cool pink one. This side right here, as you can see, it's got all the like anti-slip little bubbles on here, which is really great because I do have tile flooring, so he's not gonna be slipping and sliding. This right here, I'm almost thinking I'm gonna have to cut this because I don't see how else this is gonna come out. This is compact, so this surprisingly came in a tiny little box because as you can see, this is nice and compressed. You always wanna be careful when you're opening these because of course, you know, we need to get that to pop up, but at the same time, you don't want to puncture the mattress or anything. So I'm just gonna go from a corner here. You wanna start letting that air in, and then it usually kind of puffs up. Let's get this out. Nice. So I do love when these dog beds just have like the insert like this because then you can take that off and you can wash that nice and easily. These are waterproof, so it makes it really great. So if your dog does have any kind of like accident, it's not gonna go through this part right here. As you can see, that is like nice and thick right there. We've got this really soft part here. This actually, I think I might be able to do this in one shot. Oftentimes I always do a let's come back because sometimes they're hard to get in, but I'm liking that this seems pretty easy, not complicated at all. So we're just gonna kind of slide that in. It did say that you kind of want to take the inside and like fluff it up a little bit, so I'm gonna do that once it's in here. We do just have this really great zipper right here. So wow, that was nice and easy. Look at this. So we're gonna fluff her up. Here we go. Wally, come here. I gotta get my dog. We gotta get him to try it. Come here, Walter. Come here. Oh, look at this new bed. This is for you. Oh, look, check it out. So this is gonna be actually, you know what, the size of it, this is actually kind of perfect at the foot of my bed right here because my dog likes to just kind of lay on us. This is fantastic. Maybe he will lay like this instead of all over me at night. I am obsessed with this. This is great.